morning children. Welcome to online class. Class 3rd standard. Subject Science. Unit 3 and topic Plants in Water. In our previous class we learned about terrestrial plants and their adaptations. In today's class we are going to discuss about aquatic plants and their adaptations. Let's we discuss one by one. What is aquatic plants? The plants that grow in water bodies like ponds and lakes are called water plants or aquatic plants. They are classified into 3 types. They are free floating plants, fixed rooted plants and submerged plants. First one, free floating plants. These are found on the surface of the water. They freely float with the help of spongy body filled with air. They have poorly developed roots. They have roots but they are poorly developed. Example, water hyacinth, in Tamil ஆகாய தாமரை and pistia. Second one, fixed rooted plants. These plants have roots that are fixed in the bottom of the water bodies. These plants have air tubes in their stem. These air tubes help the plant to float. Their leaves are broad and coated with wax. What is the use of the wax? The waxy layer does not allow water to enter, thus maintaining water balance. So it is called it as a waterproof. Example, water lily and lotus. Next, submerged plants. These plants are completely submerged in water. These plants we cannot see in our eyes because they grow deep in the water bodies. Okay, what are the adaptations they have? Their stem is thin and the leaves are very small. There is no opening on the leaf surface. They breathe through stem. Example, Vallisneria and Hydrilla. Okay cuties, in today's class we discussed about aquatic plants and their classification. They classified into 3 types like free floating plants, fixed rooted plants and submerged plants. Free floating plants they found on the surface of the water. They freely float with the help of spongy body filled with air. Example, water hyacinth and pistia. Next, fixed rooted plants. Example, water lily and lotus. These plants have air tubes in their stem to help them float in water. Next, submerged plants. These plants are completely submerged in water. There is no opening on the leaf surface. Example, Vallisneria and Hydrilla. Okay cuties, now for you homework. In our book, page number 17, question number 6. Look at the picture of a water lily. Question number A. Which parts of the plant can you C. Second question. Where are the plant's roots and stem? You have to find out the answer and write it in your rough note. Thank you.